everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and here on my channel I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill, thrift hauls, and more. And if this is your first time stopping by, thank you, and please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Today's video is the final video of a three-part series on oven maintenance and cleaning. These are just the slide screens of part 1 and part 2. And again, today is the final video, is the deep cleaning the inside of the oven. If you're interested in seeing this, then just keep watching. Now let's get started. Now, I stated in video 1 and video 2, I believe, that I was going to be spraying the inside of the oven and letting it sit overnight. I used the Easy Off, and I did that, and it sat for an actual almost a day and a half because I almost forgot that I sprayed it in there. I got busy in between. But here it is. I'm just cleaning it out. I sprayed the door and the inside of the oven. Now, if you remember in the first video, I cleaned the glass. Now here I am doing an old school process that my mom taught us when we were little. We had to clean the ovens as well. I'm glad she taught us this way, because using a scouring, or at least the sponge that she had, my daughter had, did not get this done. And I just remember when I was younger on Saturdays, I hated when Saturdays come, because we had to make sure all of our chores were done, and that included cleaning out the refrigerator and cleaning out the oven. And back then, they didn't have all of the cleaning products that they have in the stores now. So after I did the inside of the oven, I took out the racks. Now, I did the best that I could to these racks. I sprayed them also, and I scrubbed in between. I scrubbed each of the rails, and it was hard to get the edge, but I did as best as I could. So this is not a perfect job to get it back totally silver, but it's better than it was. Again, this video was only made because of a Facebook post that I read about cleaning the glass and taking the door front off. So now that I have cleaned the inside of the oven, I just want to do a recap. This is what the entire oven looked like on the outside before I cleaned it. Here up under the lid, it had all of the food that was caked on it and cooked over time. This side I had cleaned before showing the video, but again, up under the oven, you see all the stuff that just build up over time with cooking. Here's the inside of the oven, what it looked like, and the door, the glass door, even the glass part is showing there. And then coming up is going to show the complete of the inside, outside, and the top. Yeah. Thank you so much for following me on this three-part series of oven maintenance and cleaning. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.